golden shy, I believe. I think it's golden shy. I think so. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply all of the cat eyes. Like covers completely the nails. So also the flower on the show really pop up. It just really depends on the background that you are going to do. So don't key anything yet. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna push the magnets a little bit off from the frame. And then we'll do it. We're gonna hold it like really parallel. So you can start seeing it. It's like really moving and affecting yours. The cat eyes effects. So I'm gonna just getting the looks and kind of activate it a little bit. Okay. And now all you need is one end that you're using it for the line, and then this is for the flower. So let's play with this and see what's up. So I'm gonna go straight down. I want to do a straight like 3 flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just hold for a few seconds and move to the next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then your next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you want to do another one, you can. Yep. Here you have the look. Straight flower down with the cat eyes. And then now, if you're happy with this, we'll go ahead and clear this for 60 seconds. It's super cool, huh?